Hello everyone, welcome to Accrue Foundation. In this tutorial, we are going to learn one more concept of JavaScript, that how we can use ID or class something in JavaScript. So first of all, you can take a variable. I'll take variable something like X, and here I'm storing something Accrue Foundation. Okay, this my information is saved in X, and I want to display this information. So normally how you write document dot write, and here you write X, right? So let's run this. You got the output, right? But if I want to pass this information in a HTML, in the body area or something like in other file of HTML. Okay, maybe like you are writing here as internal, maybe the JavaScript you are writing external, and you are adding the external here, and you want to pass the information from the script to the HTML. So how you can pass? So with the help of ID, you can pass the information. So for that purpose, you need one in where you want to pass the information. For example, in H1 tag, you want to pass the information. So I'll write ID. You can give any name. Let's give txt something. Okay, and close this H1. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to write, instead of document dot write, you have to write get element by ID. Okay, you have to write like this, and you have to mention the ID name which you have mentioned on the element. So H1 is your element, right? So here you have to write txt, and after that you have to write where you want to display inner HTML file. Then you have to display what information you want to pass. So here I'm writing X. Let's print it. So you are getting the information as a heading Accrue Foundation. What if I'm writing X in a double quote? So it will become a string. As you know, we get only X here. So hope you got the concept. If you pass the information as a string, it will display as it is. And if you pass the variable, it will display the variable information. So that's all about the ID concept. You can implement the JavaScript. Thank you, everyone.